Yo yo, Total Scumbag RC, and this is the water video. TRX-4 Bronco braves the water with his mates, I guess. Mainly Bronco. This first few clips is out at Lesmurdie Falls. Wandered off after the Scale and Trail Fest, which I'm gonna make that video soon. It's coming soon. But yeah, it's pretty good flow of water here. A bit risky. I had my mate watching my back there.
You're in a bush yet? Awesome stuff.
Still at Lesmurdie, trying to cross the water here. Trying is the operative word.
Damn, Mikey.
Alright,
Lucky I was here.
maybe we can't cross here.
I don't think we can. Hey, Mikey, there's a bridge there.
Pretty well placed to enter the water, really.
Where do you want to go?
Forward!
Forward!
Submarine.
Bronco going hard here until then. I want to go further.
I wanted to keep going.
TRX-4 Defender with the hard body and the surpass brushless system,
You don't
so
have
not
to.
so waterproof. Not so much as like the Bronco anyway. So he was getting out there. And just on the left is the awesome Grave Digger Capra. Not too waterproof either as it started tumbling towards the water here. I went to save it, but it got on its wheels. Didn't need me. Awesome car though. And this is the last little shot of water at Lesmurdie as we're heading back from the trail. There's about 15 other cars there with me. None of them wanted to go in. You can see the Sand 450 on the bridge. Maybe that's the smart way. Water for the Bronco.
I don't know, it's getting out of there.
Now we've jumped over to Schipp Road, Kalamunda National Park for a little bit of a creek run. Good fun this area, love it there so much. You can see the change in bush. Well, maybe not too much change in bush really to Kalamunda National Park and Lesmurdie Falls, all sort of a similar area. Not quite, but similar bush, lovely. Yeah, too deep to go in the main creek there, sorry.
A little bit too deep. You need a bump.
Oh, that's floating away.
And then the last
yeah.
couple of clips are heaps of fun with a couple other TRXs at Whistlepipe Gully, which is part of the Mundy Regional Park. It's all part of Lesmurdie Falls and Kalamunda. It's all connected.
Hopefully the truck's
Great
still
piece of bush.
going.
Normally I
Turn
keep
around
my
to get
clips
back
in
out.
the same area. This one I jumped around a bit. But yeah, these are some great clips here. The truck's getting wet. Hope you enjoyed it.
River crossing. Team TRX. Whistlepipe Gully. Oh yeah, that's like a fun ride. This is what you wanted, eh, Robbie? Submarine and... And this is a spot. I'll shoot from the camera.
Look at that, mate. It's moisty today.
Definitely is. Yeah, nice one, Robbie. That log is actually really cool. It's so slippery. Yeah.
And we'll do some diving. Finish off with some dives. Whey! That's a TRX Sport, which has got the FJ cruiser body on it.
Alright.
TRX Sport here, you can see with the stock sport body.
Them went to plan.
Running like the quick run 1080.
I'm in here now, Robbie. Well, I can't be the only one that doesn't do that, eh?
And I got the TRX-4 Bronco with the Holmes Hobbies BRXL ESC and the Holmes Hobbies Trailmaster 45 turn brushed motor Servox
Fucking
servo. Yeah, that's what I got. Have a great day, Total Scumbag RC.